This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. We can see here MDB called to open higher at the market open. Market's about to open in about 30 minutes here, and we can see a nice open. Just want to discuss here what we are looking at in terms of what the stock is going to do in terms of the RSI. We can see here called to open higher by 21%. Huge gap up as the market is going to open here in a little bit. And to be clear, we can see this is for trading before trading for March 14th, 2019. All right, let's take a look at the monthly chart. One quick look. And again, a quick video. This is the monthly chart as of yesterday. I just want you to take note of where the RSI was trading before today's open. And the RSI we can see here was at 88.08 on the monthly chart before this 20% additional move in the open. The stock is called to open at about 126. So you can see the power of holding the RSI above the magic number of 69.1. In other words, the longer your RSI can hold above 69.1, the more you have an opportunity to ride a momentum instrument into unbelievable heights. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pause the video. I'll be back after the market opens so we can see what the RSI is going to be looking like. Again, keep in mind, what I'm trying to emphasize here is the power of RSI 69.1, because when an instrument is trading above 69.1, it is a sign of superior, unbelievable momentum. I'll be back in a couple of minutes as the market opens so we can see where the RSI is going to be printing. And we can see here the market is just about to open. There is the opening bell. Let's take a look at that monthly chart here in a couple of minutes. And there is MDB. Now that the market is open, let's take a look at that monthly chart. Again, yesterday's close, RSI at 88.08. I'm going to update this. And now we can see RSI at 90. And that's just a sign of momentum. Trading above 69.1 is a sign of power. An original method by yours truly. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Chicka-choo!